Hello everyone, this is Emily from Max Reviews, and I wanted to do a quick review about this Philips razor. I give this for my boyfriend as a birthday gift, and I think it's a very practical gift. You get 23 pieces with the razor, so I think it's pretty flexible and very versatile to adapt in any moment for the face, the body. Even you got like some small that you can even use for the face, like the nose or other tiny areas in the body that men would like to shave. It's also pretty light, so even if your boyfriend or husband wants to carry in a trip, it's not a problem at all. It's really easy to save, and the battery also lasts for a while. It's pretty simple to use. You just got one button, and as I said, I think it's a perfect, useful gift for men.